Have you sent an email by mistake and now want to undo it? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to unsend an email in Gmail. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: open Gmail and click on the gear icon at the top. This should open Quick Settings. Click on See All Settings. Under the General tab, you will find Undo Send option. You can set the change cancellation period as per your choice. Once done, scroll down and save changes. This means that from now, whenever you send an email, it will not be delivered instantly. You will get the time period you have set to undo your action. Now let's see how it works. You can compose a mail and send it. The undo button will remain depending upon the time you choose. Within that time, you can unsend the email. And there you have it, the way to unsend an email. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the solution. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.